This is the NBC Breeze calling Coastal Control Center. Do you copy? Over.
Coastal Control here. We copy you loud and clear. Go ahead, NBC Bridge. Over.
Coastal Control, we have a person management issue that requires your assistance. One of our crew members, John Smith, has fallen ill with suspected food poisoning. He is experiencing severe vomiting and dehydration. Our onboard medic has provided first aid, but we believe he requires immediate shoreside medical attention. Request permission to divert course and present to the nearest port for medical evacuation. Over.
Copy that. NBC Bridge. Understand of medical emergency on board. Requiring immediately shoreside treatment. Permission guaranteed to divert course to the nearest suitable port. Advise us of the new ETA so we can coordinate the medical evacuation. Over.
Understood, Coastal Control. We are altering course now and estimate arrival at Port Evergreen within 4 hours. Requesting you notify the port authorized and have an ambulance standing by to receive the patient upon our arrival. Over.
Copy. Your new ETA of 4 hours to Port Evergreen. NBC Bridge. We have notified the port authorities and the ambulance will be ready to receive your isle crew member. Upon your arrival, anything else we can assist with at this time? Over.
Negative, Coastal Control. That's all for now. We will provide updates on real MVC Breeze out.
Understood. NBC Bridge. Coastal Control out.